Today we're going to take a look at Gains Network and decide whether or not it's a low market cap gem. What is a low market cap gem, you ask? Well, that's easy. It's got to have under a $500 million market cap. It would have to solve a problem, provide a service, or have another use case. It would definitely have to be able to do a 25 to 50x in a bull market. And last, but certainly not least, it would have to be able to be staked, farmed, or provide some type of other passive income. Let's see if Gains Network has what it takes to become one of our low market cap gems. If you're new to the channel, I like to cover a variety of different types of projects, including very degen projects, blue chips, and low market cap gems like the one we're covering today. If that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, drop a like below, I'd really appreciate it. Now let's see what Gains Network has to offer. What is Gains Network? Gains Network is an innovative DeFi ecosystem on the Polygon network. Provides different services. One of them is leverage trading. Gains Network is developing gTrade, a liquidity-efficient, powerful, and user-friendly decentralized leveraged trading platform. So if you look at some of the description of it, it is you have full custody of your funds at all times. There's no depositor sign up because it's decentralized. There's high liquidity and low price impacts, which is there's 0% impact on Forex. There's median spot prices, so there's no scam wicks. See those a lot on centralized exchanges for stop losses. Cryptos, Forex, stocks available. Soon they're going to have commodities. And high leverage is available, up to 150x on cryptos, 1000x on Forex, and 100x on stocks. It's a little bit overboard, but I guess if you're into that type of thing. Very competitive fees, 0.08% on every order, which is amazing. That's really good. Transparent and decentralized, 100% on-chain execution of trades. That's good. You'll be able to see that all your trades on chain, and it says a top-notch user experience. Interface evolved with more than 1 year of user feedback. Okay, so here's the really interesting part of this. So there's no order books or liquidity for each pair. So it's they're synthetic assets. So there's a single GNS, which is the Gains token DAI pool, and DAI vault for all trading pairs listed. So it shows that it's 50 times more capital efficient, depending on number of pairs listed. Synthetic leverage, 100 times more capital efficient, depending on the leverage used. And then there's real-time custom Chainlink decentralized Oracle network. So Chainlink keeps the prices like perfect. So real-time spot prices on demand on chain. First Oracle network of this kind on mainnet ever, it says. So how does it work? Trades are opened with DAI collateral, so it's a stablecoin regardless of the trading pair. The leverage is synthetic and backed by the DAI vault, the GNS DAI liquidity in the GNS token. DAI is taken from the vault to pay the traders, if positive, P&L, or receives DAI from trades from their P&L if they're negative. And it shows with Chainlink that they get the median price. So there's no scam wicks. They give an example down here. So it says, let's take a look at the price action on one of the best known centralized exchanges. 29.7762 is the bottom. This means one of your trades could have been liquidated on this exchange because it would have reached below your liquidation threshold, and your trade would not have remained open to see later profit. The price difference between our Chainlink DON and the centralized exchange price is 0.09% in this case, which represents 13.5% P&L on 150x leverage. This example is an average one, as it often happens multiple times a week. It's clearly enough to make a trading strategy unprofitable. So to summarize, it has very low price impacts because of the high liquidity. It has also high leverage. You can go up to 150x on crypto and 1000x on Forex. Very low fees, 0.08% on every order. And it's very transparent and decentralized because obviously it's on chain. So this is definitely has a use case, a very good use case. So I'm very impressed with that. I'm gonna actually try trading on this in the next week or two when I get some time to get set up on this. Okay, we have definitely defined its use case, so let's go over to CoinMarketCap to see if it can do a 25 to 50x easily, and make sure that the market cap is under 500 million. So the market cap right now is 33.9 million. The fully diluted market cap would be 35.16 million currently. The price of the token is $3.67. So what would it have to do a 25x? Okay, let's pretend that this went up to $1 billion market cap. So if we did the math for that, if we did 1 billion divided by the market cap now, which is 33,901,871, that's a 29.5x from the current price now. So that would be the price of the token would be $108.25. Now that's actually could happen because there's only 9.2 million tokens in circulation currently. So then if we go ahead and take a look at the coins that do have a $1 billion market cap, we'll go down to, it would be KuCoin token, Aptos, and Axie Infinity. They're all around 1 billion market cap. And you gotta think about it this way too. We're talking about doing this in a bull run. We're in the middle of an awful bear market, and Axie Infinity and Aptos are at 1 billion. So I believe that Gains Network could get to $1 billion market cap in the middle of a bull run. So yes, I do believe that it could do a 25 to 50x. So now, last but not least, can we earn passive income with Gains Network? And the answer to that is yes. So if we go to the staking on the Gains Network.io site, there's multiple pools that you can get into. So you could get, if you just go in the GNS pool, you get 5% APY. If you go in the DAI vault, where you just put your DAI stablecoin into it, you get up to 14% APY. And if you go into the farm, which is the GNS/DAI pool, you get up to 22% APY. And here it tells you how you gain your rewards. 13.5% from leverage trading fees, 0.3% in D-Quick, so from Quick Swap rewards. Quick Swap fees, you get 6.3%. The total APR is 20.06%. And then compounded daily, you get up to 22%. So I deposited 1 LP here. I haven't earned anything. I just did this a few seconds ago because I wanted to test it out before I showed you guys how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make a couple more. So if we go to provide liquidity, it's going to take us to QuickSwap. And QuickSwap is where we make our liquidity pair, and we need some DAI, and we need some Gains or GNS token. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do all of this. So $44 in DAI, and then it'll use 11.33 GNS tokens. When I originally did, GNS has gone up a little bit. I think it's got a long way to go. Not financial advice, but it's only at $3.80, I believe. So we're going to go ahead. So you need equal amounts of each token. So you need half DAI and half GNS, and then we're going to go ahead and supply. So it's going to give us 19.618 DAI GNS LP tokens. We're going to go ahead and confirm. Okay, so while that's doing that, I wanted to show you here that there's actually a farm on QuickSwap as well. So there's a bunch of farms on QuickSwap, but there is a GNS one too here, where it gives you 26.674% APY. We're not going to do that one because I want to gain more gains tokens, gain more GNS tokens. So we're going to go back to the gains network. So it's confirmed that I got my liquidity pair. Now I'm going to go back here to the GNS DAI pool, and we're going to deposit our LP tokens. It just popped up and it showed us how many we have now. Before it didn't, but now it did. So we're going to deposit all 19.61 of these. So we just hit stake LPs. Before that, I had to approve it. You approve it once, and the fees are super cheap because it's on Matic, one of my favorite networks. Matic has been on a tear lately because of all the partnerships they have. But to do these transactions, it's pennies, not even. So we're staking the LPs. That's going to deposit those in. So those are all in. So it's showing that's what our APR is currently. And then our stake is 20.6177 LPs. And then I guess you can buy NFTs that boost your APR. I do not have one of those. I don't think I'm going to get one. And then it's going to pay us out in GNS, which is the gains token, and a little bit of the QuickSwap token. So we proved that Gains Network does have passive income. So you can get passive income in 3 different ways: from staking the GNS, single staking. You could stake DAI single staking, and you could stake your liquidity pair tokens, the GNS and DAI. So Gains Network fulfills all 4 categories of being a low market cap gem. So I think this is a good project. These are getting really popular, the decentralized leverage trading, and I'm going to try it. I might as well. I do some leverage trading on KuCoin and other platforms, so I might as well try the decentralized version of it. So Gains Network is a low market cap gem. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please do. And have a great day.